Unboxing time. Do like this. You must super glue calm. Let me take it down.
Everyone.
Yeah, come back.
Everyone.
I could leave this thing. Keep it here. Keep it. So. Ta-da! Wow, this is for you. Ta-da!
This one is for. I could take your lunch box.
Ako.
Just look at. And look at. Everyone, look at. Daddy, look at.
That's it. It's Ako. Ako. Oh yeah, it's okay. So we got two for them. Then this is your snacks box. So I got this flask. Mama, see, it has timer. It's for Ako. For hot water. See?
It's for Apple.
This will show and it's so beautiful.
I know how to.
Mama, you take food to school, okay? This is hot for hot water now. Okay? Okay?
Mama. I don't know.
For frying. So cute.
Yes.
I heard this retains the hotness of the food for close to 10 hours. Things that I need, this is, I got shrimp and white. I got this style. Then this is our, what's this? Chopping board. Say chopping board. Two stainless kettle. Okay.
Yes.
This is for Zara. This is for Ako.
Yes.
Cheers. Cheers.
Bye.